So the National Mathematics Summer School is a 2-week residential camp held every year in January at the Australian National University in Canberra. So there's 65 students that attend the summer school from all around the country, starting year 12. So the sort of students that should apply for the summer school are those who have a really big interest in mathematics, because the camp is very much focused around mathematics.
To be selected for the National Maths Summer School, you have to be a top Year 11 or Year 11 level student. And that would mean being extremely good at mathematics competitions and really taking a deep interest in mathematics. Probably reading more widely than school mathematics, probably doing extremely well at school.
So when students attend the summer school, obviously they have a really large passion for mathematics, but they end up going into all different sorts of careers. So, for example, a girl that I went to the summer school with as a student, she is now a world-famous fashion blogger. We also have several students who have become doctors. I'm going to become a mathematician, engineers. You know, there's a whole range of different professions that people can get into.
The program's price has just been reduced, and that's because of many benefactors who contribute. At the moment, the cost is, well, to individuals, it's the cost of getting there, plus also $1,200. In Western Australia, we're the most remote state to get to Canberra, and we know that the cost of travel is considerable. And we have introduced a few scholarships through generous people, and these include the East Perth Rotary Club, who help with some of the travel costs.
The learning style at the summer school is very different to anything that students would have experienced before. It's a very open-ended style of learning, so the aim is not to get the right answer, it's about developing the methods for getting to the right answer. And so students find it a little bit tricky at the start of the camp to realise that their tutor is not there to tell them if they're right or wrong, they're there to help them develop the techniques that they need.
Well, this is a program where, of course, you're going to meet a lot of similarly minded people, and you know, the students who are very, very good at mathematics are sometimes unusual and may not be aware of a lot of people like them. Well, this program will put them in touch with 60 of them from throughout Australia. Perhaps there'll be some friendships for life out of that. Also, of course, people who go on the program meet top academics and study topics which are beyond the mathematics which is taught in school.
So in addition to the extensive mathematics program, the summer school also has a rich social aspect. So every afternoon the students get at least 2.5 hours of free time to wander Canberra, do sightseeing, shopping, things like that, play board games, meet new people. We also do sightseeing on the Saturday afternoon in the middle of the camp. So we have coaches that take the students to see such things as Parliament House, the National Gallery, Questacon, which is a little bit like SciTech but better, things like that. We also have the Sunday off, so students can choose to do whatever they want to do on that Sunday. A lot of students go ice skating, or to see a movie, or to go sightseeing to see more of Canberra. They also get the opportunity to climb Black Mountain Tower, so you get a really, really good view of Canberra there. I guess take a lot of cool photos. So applications for the summer school close towards the end of July, and I really encourage all students who have a passion in mathematics or even good at it to apply. It's a really good experience, and it certainly influenced me in my life, and it was probably the best